Just going to give the Pursuit a try with the new stinger on the back. It's 10mm longer than before. Yeah, I've got 6S. I've never actually had this configuration before with two 3S batteries. One's in the front there, one's in the side here. I'm going to say it won't roll over. It won't. That function won't work because of too much weight on the right hand side. Need some trim tab adjustment. You can't even floor it. The thing is just so powerful. Yeah. Man, that's fast. I reckon we might get the tool, yeah. Okay, so we've just pushed the stinger down. It's easier than pushing the tabs down. Let's see if this is going to work. Stay here, you. Yep, just go on. Alright. I was that duck, I wouldn't be there. Yeah. Jeez, that's fast. I'm not even, I haven't floored it at all at any time.
Really?
Yeah, I haven't.
That is so quick.
It feels like half throttle when I'm nailing it. Have we got something to push the tabs down, do you reckon?
Yeah, they're just actually just...
Oh yeah, that's right, the Allen key.
Yeah.
Alright, let's just do that.
Do that. Be pretty quick. I actually pushed them down since the last time we used it as well.
Yeah.
Just went up with that stinger on.
That was on 4S though, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Last time, so. Okay, so both trim tabs are pushed down a bit now. Same with the stinger. Not bad up to that speed, but that's only a quarter throttle. It's better, Brock.
Had it flat?
No, not then, but it was sitting good. Oh, look at that.
That's beautiful.
Well, that was worth mucking around with, wasn't it?
Yeah. Careful of sticks over there.
Yep, I just realised.
Ooh, there's like...
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's moving. Good.
Whatever this setting is, never change it. Because that looks good.
Definitely likes the two 3S batteries, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's a good,
6S.
the way the weight is, yeah, it's ideal for it. This is actually a smallish prop as well. I went down 4mm because I didn't want to deal with it being too hard to set up.
Right.
I'm sure I can run a 48 instead of this 44 that's on there. Wow, that's pretty fast. That's quick. I might pull her in, which means one more lap.
You know exactly how that goes, right?
Under the bridge. Stop.
Yeah.
Just see what it.
That's going like a plane.
Oh yeah.
Before the starter strikes.
See what the temps are like. Did you bring your temp gun, Brock?
Always. Well, if I had it down there then, it wouldn't have been any good to you.
Test it with the temp gun. Batteries are fine.
Yeah, that's fine. Well, the wire's pretty long.
Yeah, speed controller's a bit warm there,
Yeah.
but not too hot to touch.
That's not
It's
great.
warm, is it?
Yeah.
Motor's not hot at all.
It's cold.
Ah, Brock, your soft hands making me think that was going to be hot. It's not that bad. God, I thought they can't hold it. Yeah, motor's very cool. Speed controller's warm. Batteries are fine. Yeah, I'd be happy to try a bigger prop on that. Alright, lock those settings there so they can never be moved. Get the strongest Loctite you've ever had and put it on there.
Super glue on.